Hey, Justin Forehand here with eXp Realty. Are you looking for a beautiful house in South Madison that has great neighborhood amenities and that is zoned for Madison City Schools? If that's you, stay tuned because I've got a house to show you. All right, so welcome back. We are going to dive into where 147 Rosemary Ayers Drive is. We'll take a look at the house pictures, and then I'll show what all it's close to, what makes this a great place to live. And we'll start out by showing, here's the listing for 147 Rosemary. It's listed at $395,750. Take a look at the pictures here. It's in the River Landing community, and you can see all the houses behind it. One thing, I'm going to zoom in here. One thing that's great about this, and looking out the back window now, is as you can see there's this wood line here, and especially during the summer, it blocks the view of your back neighbor, and so it provides plenty of privacy. And another good thing is you can't see it from this picture because it's from up above, but this house is a little bit raised up in the privacy fence there. You can't see into their backyard. You can just see the top part of their house, and so that's another plus. A lot of privacy. You won't necessarily see your backdoor neighbor. And as you can see here, they do have a privacy fence. So if you have a dog, that'll be good for you. And here we go. But two-car garage, beautiful outside of home, beautiful brick, great entryway into this living room here. Gas fireplace, and here's the kitchen on the other side. Gas stove, granite countertops, beautiful cabinets. Was your dining area. It's over to the towards the back door in the master bedroom. Beautiful bathroom, beautiful neutral colors, a lot of grays and whites. Two bedrooms, which also has a bathroom in that area. And then this is the bedroom that's up front. This bedroom has a storm shelter in the closet. Here's the storm shelter. So when weather gets bad here, sometimes Huntsville's known for having tornadoes here and there. So it's a plus to have a storm shelter. This is registered with FEMA. So if anything were to happen in this area, they know where to come to look if there was a tornado event. Laundry room. Here's the backyard. Nice back porch covered. Also included when you purchase this house is the amenities that River Landing offers. There is an HOA. It's $430 a year, but you do get to use this clubhouse, the gym, which is here, the pool, and then there's a kiddie clubhouse. There's tennis / pickleball courts, and then a playground. My kids used to play at that playground all the time when they were younger, so it's great. There's pickleball courts. It's a great playground, though. A lot of it's, there you go, there's a picture. But they got swings, and then your slide and things to climb on. So, and here's a layout of the house. Mentioned you come in through the foyer and goes into the living room. Then you have your dining area with the kitchen here, one bedroom up front. That's the one with the storm shelter, and this walk-in closet here. Two bedrooms on the right side of the house, and then your master bedroom back in the back. All right. So now we're going to talk about where this house is located. This is located in River Landing. That's this community right here. This is specifically in the Crossings, which is a part of River Landing. Still able to use all the amenities. It's on the intersection of Beetle Lane and Waltran Highway. There's 3 entrances. There's one here in the front and then 2 on the side. So you can choose which entrance you come into this neighborhood. And the amenities are right across the street. In Pebble Creek is the name of that subdivision. But here's what we just showed the overlay on. All right, so River Landing is located just north of Triana, and it's in South Madison. As you can see, the Huntsville International Airport is right here. So it's very, very close. Even though it's close, there's not a lot of air traffic noise. I very rarely realize there's a plane flying over if there is. But maybe once a month I'm like, oh, there's a plane. Not a lot of noise, but very convenient if you do fly in and out of Huntsville quite often. Just up the road, going down Zernt, there is a shopping center. There's a Publix here. Here's the Publix. There's a Mexican restaurant, car wash, oil change place. There's a pet store, Italian restaurant, all right here. There's McDonald's. And then if you work on the Arsenal, one of the great things is Gate 7 is right here. So it's about, I think, about 7 miles from the gate to this location, to where this house is located. And then if you keep going north on Zernt Road, you come up on Town Madison. All this from Martin all the way north is a 4-lane. So traffic flow is pretty good here. And just keep going a little bit. It's actually not that far. I'm just zoomed in. But here's Town Madison. And there's all kinds of places to eat here. Super Chicks, Five Guys, Outback. There's a Panera Bread, Starbucks. There's a Taco Mama in here. There's a barbecue place. There's all kinds of things. And also here's where the Rocket City Trash Pandas play at Toyota Field. Is all right here. And also, you could also go down to come get out to the Huntsville area. You can come down Waltrana, and that comes out here at exit 9 on the interstate. You can also get on the interstate from Zernt Road. You'll take a right onto Madison Boulevard, and that keep on going, and that will dump out onto 565. But there's also all kinds of other locations to eat right here at the intersection of 565 and Waltrana. You got Chick-fil-A, Cracker Barrel, 2 gas here. There's another Starbucks that's being built here. And then other eating establishments up here right past 565 on Madison Boulevard, Schlotsky's, Taco Bell, Waffle House. There's a Walmart right here. Another really good Mexican restaurant here. So everything's pretty close. All this about 10 minutes from the house. You can get to either Town Madison, or get to Town Madison on either side using Waltrana or Zernt Road. Getting on the interstate, fairly easy. Like I said, you just get off on this ramp here, or this ramp here going west. But go west to Decatur, you go east to Huntsville. You usually can get anywhere within Huntsville within, I don't know, probably 20 minutes. Downtown's about a 20-minute drive, depending on traffic. Of course, 7 to about 9 in the morning, and then 4 to 6:30ish are going to be your times when there's more traffic. But like any bigger city, that's very common. It's not as bad as Atlanta or anything like that yet. So still, it's the biggest city in Alabama, but still traffic seems to flow unless there's some accident or something like that, which is more common than we would like it to be, but still not near as bad. Here, 255 is where Gate 9 is to Redstone, and then heading north towards 72, Highway 72. So You can go either Zernt or Waltrana, go east 565, hit 255 to go up to 72. That's the main part of Huntsville where all the restaurants, shopping. There's Target, 2 Walmarts, Costco, the new Costco. Cliff Farms is west on 72. So easy access to that. And then we'll go back down here to 565. You'll pass U.S. Space and Rocket Center, and then going into downtown Huntsville area. So very, it's not necessarily centrally located, but it's very easy to get on the interstate to get to wherever you want to within Huntsville within 25 minutes or so. So great location. It is zoned for Madison City Schools. If you do any research on the school systems here in Huntsville, you'll know that Madison City Schools are rated very high, not just in the state, but throughout the country. And it's a great school system. And this neighborhood is zoned for that school district. So that's a plus. So we'll go back to the neighborhood. And you can see right there, this tree line, it does block view of the house behind it. To me, that's a great, that's a big plus, because most of these houses in the neighborhood, you know, they're right on top of each other and in direct view of each other. So like my house that's over in Nickel Creek, I can see my neighbor whenever he's in the kitchen. I can see that he's cooking dinner. So privacy here is great. All the finishes like we saw in this house are great. It looks like agreeable gray is the color that was used. Great countertops, you know, granite throughout the kitchen and bathrooms, and just an overall nice house, and in a great neighborhood, great school systems, and easy access to anywhere within the Huntsville area. If you have any further questions, reach out. Phone number is 256-542-0226. If you'd like to see this home, I would love to show it to you. Just shoot me a text or give me a call, and we can set up a showing. And hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you next one.